Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to download and install Kraken wallet on Android. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, you have to make sure that you have the correct plan or the version that supports this feature. So first, you will open your Google Play Store and then on your Android device or whatsoever, and then you will tap the search bar and then you will type let's say Kraken wallet, so just search for it on your search bar, Kraken wallet. And then after searching for it, of course, you will have to locate the official Kraken wallet app and then verify developer is Kraken INC, which is right here, or payword. And then you will tap install and wait for the app to download and install. And once installed, you will tap open and then log in or create an account if you don't have one. Enable notifications and security settings as prompted. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.